Welcome back to the Citizen Data Academy. This video is the 6th in our City-Parish Government Module. We'll explore our new Governmental Functions web experience, which consolidates many of our existing web maps into one convenient application. It provides a variety of local, state, and federal government-related information for East Baton Rouge Parish. You can access the Governmental Functions web experience from the gallery of the EBRGIS portal or with the URL listed here. In the new web experience format, the layer list is always open in the bottom right of the map view. This allows you to easily interact with the map layers, toggling them on and off as needed. Visible layers are depicted with this open eye icon, while invisible layers are depicted with the slash through the eye icon. The parish boundary layer is visible by default in all 5 map themes. Some of the layers, such as lot lookup here, are grayed out and will only become visible after zooming in at a certain scale. Also, keep in mind those layers at the top of the list will always be displayed above those which are lower in the list. If the layer ordering presents a challenge, then you may consider adjusting the transparency of each map layer or hide the labels within the menu accessed by clicking the ellipsis button. This application features 5 web maps, each with a different theme and some unique layers to explore. We will now cover each map theme in greater detail. The local government map provides information about administrative boundaries that relate to municipal and parish governmental bodies. The layers for city limit and metropolitan council districts are visible by default. Other layers include district boundaries for the Baker, Central, and Zachary City Councils, schools, drainage, flood protection, consolidated road lighting, consolidated garbage, gas utilities, hospital services, and tax assessment wards and sections. Also, for reference, the address label, zip code, lot lookup, and industrial area layers are included. The state and judicial map provides information about administrative boundaries related to the state of Louisiana and all respective judicial branch offices. The layers for voting precinct and Louisiana House of Representatives districts are visible by default. Other layers include the districts for Bessie, the Public Service Commission, the Louisiana Senate, and the U.S. House of Representatives, and the sections of the 19th Judicial District Court, City Court, Family Court, Juvenile Court, Justice of the Peace, and the Louisiana First Circuit Court of Appeals. The Public Facilities Map provides information about local, state, and federal owned and operated facilities. This map has many layers that are visible by default, including Community Center, Courthouse, Head Start Center, Library, Municipal Office, Postal Service Facility, Public Health Care Center, Public Housing, Public Safety Facility, Public Works Facility, Senior Center, Special Facility, State Office, University, Rec Park, and Public Facility Property. The neighborhood layer is also included in the layer list for reference. The Public Safety Map provides information about law, fire, and EMS facilities, as well as each agency's corresponding response area. The layers for EMS station, fire station, police station, crime prevention district, and police response areas are visible by default. The fire protection districts, and sheriff response area boundaries are also included in the layer list. The Public Lands Map provides information about properties owned by local, state, and federal government agencies. The layers for property owned by the state, City-Parish, EBR Parish Schools, and Breck Parks, respectively, are visible by default. The layers for geodetic control stations, benchmarks, and the Public Land Survey System, PLSS, are also included in the layer list for reference. Now let's cover the map control buttons on the left side of the interface. These buttons zoom the map view in and out, which can also be done with the scroll wheel of your mouse. This button restores the default extent of the map view from when you open the application. With this button, you can find your location on the map once you give the application permission to access your current location. This is especially useful on mobile devices. For example, you can use this tool to find the nearest police or EMS station to your location. You can pan the map by left-clicking and dragging the cursor. And you can rotate the map view 360 degrees by right-clicking and dragging the cursor. This is great for taking screenshots of parts of the map where the north-facing map view does not provide the best perspective. You can restore the default north-facing map view at any time by left-clicking the orientation button. Left-clicking on a feature will reveal a pop-up with detailed information. You can dock the pop-up window, and as you continue to click on other features in the map, the details will update. There are 3 buttons on the right side of the user interface. With the search button, you can quickly find an address or place, and the map view will zoom to that location. You also have the option to enter coordinates into the search bar to zoom to a location based on latitude and longitude. With the base map button, you can alter the underlying base map and change it from the default topographic to another option. Let's switch to our most recent near map imagery to get an aerial view of the landscape. The measurement tool has 2 options, where the first tab allows you to quickly determine the distance between 2 points on the map, while the second option allows you to find the area of a polygon. Make sure to double left click when you're done drawing a line or shape to finish the operation. The coordinate tool allows you to obtain the XY coordinates for any location on the map. There are 2 options for units, either geographic coordinates in WGS 84 or projected coordinates in State Plane, Louisiana South, survey feet. To finish, let's cover the 5 tools in the widget controller within the title block at the bottom. From left to right, this first button opens the map legend so that you can view the categories of the layers you currently have visible in the map. You can add external data layers to the map with this Add Data tool. As an example, I'll add a map layer of local schools. Simply select the layers you wish to access and add them to your map. With this button, you can open the attribute table to view the data for certain layers in tabular format. You can expand the table by clicking and dragging the bottom right corner of the window. Within this window, you can apply actions on the data to sort the fields, zoom to selected records in the map, and export the desired data. When you have adjusted a map to your liking, you can use these last 2 buttons on the right to print a copy, share it, and embed your map into a website. Also, you can easily generate a QR code or post your map on social media. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.